If you chose to watch this video, chances are that you want to stop fapping. Great, because I haven't been fapping for more than 200 days. And in this video, I will teach you how I managed to stop fapping in 3 steps. If you will choose right now to sit down for the next like 3 or 4 or 5 minutes and watch this video until the end with your full attention, you will know exactly how to stop fapping. And if you will take action afterwards, you will change your life. And if you won't do it, you will stay the same. You will just keep relapsing, keep getting to day 4 and feeling shame and guilt and all of that. You don't want to stay like that, right? And the first step, for every action that you take, like fapping and playing video games and going to the gym, you have done it because of a desire. You desire doing this activity, the results of it, or just this activity by itself. And the things that causes you, that trigger these desires, are triggers in your environment, digital, friends, and these things. And you have to identify where they are, what they are, how you encounter them. So let's say for example that you watch TikTok and just by the nature of the algorithm, you see half-naked girl. Your desire to fap gets a little bit higher. And as time goes on, it increases more and more and more and more, and then relapse. The thing that got you to relapse is TikTok, is watching this video. And the first step is to find all of the triggers that trigger you to do this thing. We are going to remove them in a minute, but before that, the second step, you need to have a purpose in your life. So we talked about the triggers that trigger us to do these activities. The best elimination tactic to remove these things is to find like work that you like to do and do it more. So let's say that you want to make money online. Find a business model that gives you fulfillment and happiness, that gets you to flow state, and then do it more, a lot more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours every day. It can also be like it with studies and fitness. You need to find the things that will occupy your mind throughout the day, so you won't think about doing bad habits in general, especially fapping. And then you will replace the time that you were fapping with this activity, with this hard work that you like to do, that you like the outcome of it. Even if you will take action on all of the steps that I've just given you, you will not succeed, because you will encounter triggers. No matter how hard you will try to not encounter them, you can remove like 99% of them. That's great, but when you will encounter them, when you will have the desire to fap in a week, a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year, you will have to resist it through willpower. And that's the 4th step. So when you will feel a desire, you need to realize one thing: this desire is temporary, and if you will indulge in it, it won't disappear, it will even amplify. But if you will choose to ignore it, to resist it for a day, 2, 3, 4, 7, it will disappear and you will break free from fapping. Now that I finished to give you all of these steps, you can choose one out of 2 paths. First, you can procrastinate and like keep watching me shouting at you, bro, take action. You're not going to change if you won't change. If you won't take action on these steps, nothing will change. You will stay the same. You will keep relapsing and get to day 1 every 3 days for a week. You will regret if you won't take action right now. This is the only time that if you will take action the outcome, you taking action, is guaranteed, and you will know what are the triggers that trigger you to do it. You will remove them, you will find some meaningful activity to do instead, and you will stop fapping forever. You know, you can stop fapping and all of that, but there are a lot more bad habits that you probably do. And I've managed to quit all of my old bad habits in just few years. And if you want to learn how, you can click on this video.